Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on Kik easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the application, and then as you see here you are on the home page. So click on the profile section, and here we find this language section, so click on it. As you see here we find the language, so you can change it to whatever you want, French or Dutch or Arabic, English. So that's it. That's how to change the language easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.